Holy moly, the sky is beautiful tonight, and I have a feeling it's going to get even more beautiful. Welcome to my camp. My drive here was absolutely beautiful. I started in the Sonoran Desert among the saguaro cacti and just kept climbing the mountain until I was up in the pines, and even drove through an area that still had quite a bit of snow on the ground. It was absolutely stunning. What a beautiful drive today and a pleasant surprise. My route took me on Highway 87, which I've never been on, and it took me through these high mountains. I've driven from the desert down in Apache Junction in the saguaro cactus all the way up to the pines and snow on the ground. What an incredible drive. I'm glad to be here now and all settled in. It's going to be a fun trip. I plan on visiting some ruins, doing some hiking, and of course, some cooking. I have a great dinner planned, but that's not for tonight. I'm going to save that for tomorrow night. Tonight is just going to be a quick, easy salad in a bag. I plan to get to bed early and have a big day tomorrow. So I will say goodnight here, and I'll see you all in the morning. Good night. Is it time to get up? Good morning. It's gonna be a great day. I can feel it. Before we jump into today's activities, I want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, AG1 by Athletic Greens. I've made a conscious decision to start taking better care of my health this year. I want to support it the best I can, and I can do that easily with AG1. It's easy to take every morning, and it's actually pretty tasty. I've been taking it now for over 2 months every morning before breakfast, and I have noticed a difference in my health and my well-being and feeling good overall. And it tastes good. With 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food source superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens, AG1's special blend of ingredients supports gut health, immunity, energy, recovery, focus, and aging. I like that one. Go to the link in the description below to get a year's supply of vitamin D3, K2, and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. This is a game changer for supporting your immune system. AG1 provides your body with everything it needs for optimal performance every single day. Now that I've drank the healthy stuff, it's coffee time. Alrighty, let's assemble this bad boy. That looks good. Ready to eat. Well, I battened down the hatches and I'm ready to go check out some ruins. A lot of people have asked me if I ever take the camper off. I do not. It would be such a pain. They are hand crank jacks. So I've done it once since I've had it, and it is a time-consuming and painful effort. So it's just much easier for me to leave it on. Montezuma Castle National Monument protects a set of well-preserved dwellings located in Camp Verde, Arizona, which were built and used by the Sinagua people, a pre-Columbian culture closely related to the Hohokam and other indigenous peoples of the southwestern United States between approximately 1100 and 1425 AD. The castle is situated about 90 feet up a sheer limestone cliff facing the adjacent Beaver Creek, which drains into the perennial Verde River just north of Camp Verde. The precariousness of the dwelling's location and its immense scale of floor space across 5 stories suggests that the Sinagua were daring builders and skilled engineers. Access into the structure was most likely permitted by a series of portable ladders, which made it difficult for enemy tribes to penetrate the natural defense of the vertical barrier. In a moment, I'll show you a sign that shows the many levels of this dwelling. There were actually 5. That was so cool. I just have so much respect, and I can definitely feel the history here. I always give thanks when coming onto these ancient lands to the Native Americans whose home this was for allowing me the honor of being here. It's just incredible. We're gonna go see some more, but it's about a 39-minute drive, so let's get going. Tuzigoot National Monument preserves a 2 to 3 story Pueblo ruin on the summit of a limestone and sandstone ridge just east of Clarkdale, Arizona, 120 feet above the Verde River floodplain. Tuzigoot is the largest and best preserved of the many Sinagua Pueblo ruins in the Verde Valley. The ruins at Tuzigoot incorporate very few doors. Instead, the inhabitants use ladders accessed by trapdoor-type openings in the roofs to enter each room. I thought I'd come check out the Tuzigoot River, which is right down the road from the Tuzigoot National Monument. And it was a good excuse to say the name Tuzigoot one more time. What a great day. I really enjoyed seeing those ruins. It's just absolutely amazing. Right now, I'm going to run by the grocery store real quick, grab a few things, and then head back to camp and get dinner going pretty soon. Back here at camp and ready to get dinner started. It's going to be an easy recipe, not many ingredients, and yeah, it's going to be a pasta with spinach, turkey sausage, and tomato sauce. And here are my ingredients for tonight. These diced tomatoes already have spices, basil, garlic, and oregano, regular tomato sauce, pasta, sweet Italian sausage, spinach leaves, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. First, I am browning my turkey sausage. Okay, now I'm going to drain the turkey sausage. I'm just going to drain it into a empty iced tea can I have. Now I'm adding 1 1/4 cups of water, my undrained diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and the pasta. It's going to be a full pan. Now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat, cover it, and let it simmer until the pasta's cooked. It's looking and smelling tasty. Still has a ways to go though. I'm ready to add my spinach leaves. We'll let those get all nice and wilted. I think I need a bigger pan. I've plated it up and I'm going to sprinkle it with some mozzarella and some Parmesan. And voila. It is really good and very simple. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of this. Good morning. I lost you guys last night. I think I was in a food coma, a pasta coma. I just relaxed and watched a movie and went to bed. The weather started moving in last night and the winds kicked up. I have a little tent set up outside, and that's something that I do in order to save my campsite when I leave and go exploring. I set up a tent, set up some chairs, a table, and I have it weighted down with rocks, but I thought that it might still blow off. It was just, winds were howling, and it's gotten very cloudy and rainy. That was not in the forecast. It's supposed to rain off and on all day today. My original plan was to do a really cool hike in a neighboring town. However, that is not going to happen today. So it's going to end up being a work day. I'll just go ahead and get this video edited and ready for you all and save that adventure for another day. If I didn't mention it before, I am on Forest Service land. So this is a free campsite. I am in the Coconino National Forest, and I'm in an area called Rim Rock. It's really, really beautiful. I think there's lots of camping around this area. So I was very well situated to visit the dwellings yesterday and the ruins. It's been a really nice spot. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and checking out the ruins and my beautiful campsite, beautiful sunsets, beautiful skies. I enjoyed my time here. And once again, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Athletic Greens, who is going to give my community an immune-supporting free 1-year supply of vitamin D and 5 travel packs with your first purchase. Just click the link below. And once again, thank you all for your support. I couldn't do it without you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's free and it's a great way to help the channel. And I will see you all on the next adventure. See you soon. Bye-bye.